What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the journey. Today is Thursday, January 11th, and I have another day trading video for you guys. This is the S&P 500 2000 tick. This is an interest trader platform. This is what it looked like when I opened it up this morning. You can see the past 3 days, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. You can see overall we have gone up, and then it looks like we had some congestion, some overnight congestion, and then today we kind of opened up, going up into this little uptrend, and then starting to head back down during market open. But yeah, so this is kind of where we're at with the market open. You can kind of see very congested. Very interesting. Today was honestly a very interesting day, and honestly, it kind of confused me. Not gonna lie, there was a lot of times today where I thought there might be a trade that ended up happening. I actually did miss a few great trades that I just didn't see because I wasn't paying attention. But I missed two pretty good lower highs, and they would have worked out pretty well. Well, the first one would have worked out really, really well. The second one would have worked out for a scalp, but both were pretty clear lower highs, and I just missed them. But it is what it is, guys. Like, it's just part of trading. And then, well, to be honest, after I missed those two trades, I was like, because I saw them, I was like, damn, I just missed those. How did I miss that? And then I was really eager to get another trade. I'm like, now I got to get in. And you guess what happened? Guess what happened? I lost a trade. Because I got too eager. I felt like I was like, oh man, I just missed out on a great setup. Two great setups I just missed out on. So I was super eager to find a trade. And that is where you fuck up. That is where you mess up. That is where you're going to lose. And it's exactly what happened today. Happened to me. I saw those two trades, and I felt like I needed to find one to make up for it. But really, I didn't even make up for anything because I missed out on the trade. But there's always going to be another trade. There always is going to be another trade. It's just you can't be always searching for it. You cannot be always looking and trying to find the right one. It's just you can't get impatient, and that's pretty much what what happened. I got impatient. I wasn't patient enough, and it got the best of me. My mind, I guess, the missing out portion was like, no, I gotta find one. And when you're trying to look for one super hard, that's when you're gonna see things that don't make sense. And honestly, that's what happened. I'll show you guys in a bit, but just to give some background, it was a very confusing day. We started off in what looked like a giant trading range, and then it kind of just started moving down. So I didn't know if we were moving into a downtrend type of deal. It was very hard to locate, and nothing was really lining up for me. So yeah, it was very interesting. The analysis was hard today. It wasn't as predictable as I thought it would be today. But we took a loss, and then we took a winning trade. So we cut a little bit of our loss away, but we still ended today in a loss. But that's all right. Losing is a part of trading. You're not going to be 100%. You're not going to get it all the time. Your mind's going to get the best of you, like today. But the best thing is you do, learn, identify what you did wrong, and move on. That's the best thing you can do. And that's pretty much what I did. Learn from it. I went back and I was like, man, I saw those lower highs. And then I literally, as soon as I took the trade that I was trying to get in, I was like, man, this is bad. Like, this is going to be a losing trade. And it immediately stopped me out. And I was like, yep, that's it. But yeah, so I'm going to cut to that trade, the losing trade. Actually, you can see right here, I just marked where the lower high was. This would have been a golden opportunity for a lower high. We got off the trend line, off the EMA, and you can just see how freaking nice of a trade that was. Could have got, I think, at least 2-3 points after that. But yeah, and then shortly after that, there's another lower high, going down to make the new low of this. I think this, because we got overshoot here, and then we made a new low and came back down. There's another lower high to take, but those were the two trades I missed out on. Let me cut to where I took my trade, my losing trade. Okay, so you can kind of see where I was. There's the other lower high I was mentioning. It's marked on the screen there. I thought it was pretty good coming off there, and it worked out for a good scalp. But this is where I entered. You know, I thought we were going to go back down. We got to add a second entry short, breaking this uptrend channel. But I got stopped out real quick. As you can see, it entered and just got stopped out in like 2 seconds. So, and that's what happens, man. Like, when you get impatient and when you get, like, you feel like you're missing out and, like, you need to get a trade, that is where you fuck up. That is where you're going to go wrong, and that's where you make the mistakes. And this is exactly what happened. I made the mistakes, and I paid the price for it. But, you know, it's okay because I stopped, recollected myself, did some more analyzation, you know, try to see what was going on, see if I can get something back. And luckily the market granted me with another decent setup, which I decided to take, and it worked out for a quick scalp, which I'm thankful for. So I made a little bit of my money back, but not all of it. Today's overall a losing day for me, but it's okay. Every day is not going to be perfect, and that's okay. But it is what it is. Take it with a grain of salt, you know, move on and go on to the next day. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. I can cut to my trade real quick. It's actually coming up here pretty soon. You can see because we started having this decent uptrend starting to form here. And so I entered pretty quickly. I think I went long here. Yeah, because we had a huge break here, and then, sorry, I'm eating grapes. We had a huge break, and then, yeah, we had to make a new high off this channel here. So I entered off the second entry long. Really interesting trade. Worked out for a quick scalp, nothing more. But that's about it, guys. So I'm gonna wrap it up here. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe. If you didn't enjoy it, hey, it's alright. No hard feelings. But yeah, I'm gonna leave my most recent video to the left, and then my subscribe button to the right. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Other than that, I hope everybody had a great day trading. If you didn't, hey, there's always the next day, and there's always going to be another opportunity. So that being said, catch everybody in the next video tomorrow on Friday. Peace.